Have you ever considered all we take for granted in modern society? Like smartphones, laptops, and touchscreen tablets, high-speed communications networks, gas and electric vehicles, airplanes and satellites, municipal and industrial infrastructure and architecture, life-saving medical devices. These modern marvels wouldn't be possible without fluoropolymers. Fluoropolymers are large, stable, and inert molecules that have few, if any, alternatives that provide the same strength, reliability, and safety. Only fluoropolymers have the combined resistance and protection from extreme temperatures, corrosion, water, combustion, and other chemical and physical challenges. Let's take a closer look at how our modern lives rely on fluoropolymers. Staying in touch. The unique electrical properties of fluoropolymers are essential to help enable high-frequency communications cables and 5G infrastructure. Fluoropolymers are also critical in advanced semiconductor chips and other electronic components that make mobile devices more powerful, reliable, and durable. Taking a drive? Fluoropolymer seals and hoses in gas-powered vehicles help reduce fuel leaks and tailpipe emissions. They enhance safety by improving the performance of brake lines and sensor systems, and they're critical for the reliable performance of EV batteries. Planning a trip? Fluoropolymers are used in aircraft brakes, engines, and communications equipment to help protect against extreme conditions. They're also used for insulation on wires, sheathing, and hydraulic hoses to help ensure the safety of commercial and military aircraft and space flights. Built to last. Fluoropolymer coatings help bridges, buildings, arenas, and other structures weather the elements by improving their resistance to ultraviolet radiation, water, rust, and decay. Cutting-edge healthcare. Fluoropolymers have been used for decades in implantable medical devices because they reduce serious risks such as device failure, body rejection, infections, and tissue damage. You're probably thinking, that's all great, but are fluoropolymers safe? Fluoropolymers have well-established safety profiles and do not present a concern for human health or the environment. In fact, 2 scientific peer-reviewed studies have demonstrated that 96% of commercially available fluoropolymers adhere to criteria to be considered polymers of low concern for human health or the environment. Importantly, while they are a PFAS chemistry, fluoropolymers are very different since they don't dissolve in water, can't get into drinking water, and are too large to cross cell membranes. Also, the manufacture and use of fluoropolymers is subject to strict oversight by regulatory agencies around the world. Some advocates want to ban fluoropolymers, along with other PFAS, but imposing unscientific bans or restrictions on fluoropolymers can have wide-ranging consequences. Policymakers must understand that immediate impacts would be seen in product quality and durability, availability, safety, and cost, with reverberations likely felt throughout many industries' often interconnected supply chains. In addition, there are few, if any, feasible alternatives offering the unique combination of fluoropolymer benefits. Let's work together for common-sense regulations based in sound science that promote quality of life, competitiveness, and innovation, so that we can keep enjoying the modern technologies that make our lives safer, healthier, and better. To learn more about fluoropolymers and how you can get involved, visit fluoropolymerpartnership.com.